Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me an email that they use the yellow box trick, like I've shown off a lot, but they make it pretty big, and then whenever they need it, they just hit P, put it on the center of the page. And it kind of sparked an idea in my head. And this would be pretty cool. So let's go to Tools, Scripts, and yours might say Macros. Start recording. And I'm going to call it yellow. As soon as I hit OK, it starts recording. I'm going to go over to the rectangle tool and double click on the rectangle tool, which put a box around my picture. I'm going to fill it in with yellow, and then I'm going to move it out of the way. That's it. I'm going to go to Tools, Scripts, and stop recording. Now I'm going to get rid of this yellow box. I'm going to go to Tools, Scripts, and Scripts, or yours might say Macros, and go down to Global Macros, Recorded Macros, and hit double on the yellow. Now, to make it even better, let's take that away, and let's right-click on this and assign it a keyboard stroke. And what it's going to do is going to go in, and that's that recorded macro. We're going to type in Y, which isn't going to work because it's polygon. We could go alternate Y, document grid, control Y, nothing. Assign it, say OK. Now we're starting a new page regardless of where we're at. I'm going to control Y, it put a yellow box. And if I want to look at something, I'm really intrigued by that. And then just hit P. Now we have to go and make it order to the back of page. And you really, there's no way you can do that because every time you draw, depending on whether you already had it drawn or you draw it. But this way you can see there's no yellow box and it's very easy to take away. And then if you want it back, control Y and hit P. Anyway, I hope that sparked some interest, and thank you for watching.